I'm just really getting this energy of, it's just celebrating something before you have it. Of course, life itself should be celebrated, but there's just something about an upcoming celebration or something, but you can celebrate it now. Yes, so, and also do something nice for yourself. Anything, it's just anything that makes you feel great, and that's a 101. Yes, and I already did my prayers, meditations, and I was just tuning in with the energy, and that's 111. Yes, yeah, and this is after I shuffle the cards. Look, it's the sun. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I think you just, it's representing, like I said, something that's making you feel great. Like your inner child, I think that's representing it. And that's 1, 3, 3. And look at the sun. Yes, it's been so sunny in the UK. Today it's a bit like as 144. I've been seeing that number actually. Yeah, angel number. Yes, a bit like more of a bit chilly today, but it's okay. I mean, it's still it's relaxing. I mean, after all those really sunny days, and yeah, I have learned to appreciate it every season. But of course, when it's sunny, it's more favorable to go out there, and especially being in the beach, as I had my lovely days in the beach. Speaking of that, in my favorite aisle, that's 222. Yes, I posted a video of it. It's just really about, like, speaking of happiness, and this is 19. If you've been seeing 19, 19, 19, this must be something so significant for you. So look at how beautiful this, the back of the card is. Speaking of, like, the sun, sun is the happiest card in the tarot, so it's beautiful energy. Wow. And I'm really tuning in with the mermaid vibes, like literally. And that's 3 minutes now, that quick. And that's all 303. I have this mermaid vibes tissues here. Look at that. I'm not paid to advertise this, but it's just like before I started the reading, because we'll be using the mermaids and magical mermaids and dolphins later on. And then this caught my attention.